You know it's got to be pretty serious when I have you past your bedtime help me work on the car the day before a race. Welcome to Ken's Corner. Guess what? It's race day. That's right, it's race day. Going up to Mokan. Going to try, I think this is race number 4. Didn't do too hot last race we had up there. Driver error, did something stupid. But anyway, today, not so. I'm really geared up. Did some testing last night, so I'm really pumped about that as well. But anyway, can't wait to get up to Mokan and kick some butt up there. Anyway, let's get this show on the road. Well, it's another race day, Saturday. But guess what? This is something you don't want to see Saturday morning. Typically the trailer's already sitting in the garage. We went out to test and tune last night and we had some issues, oil issues. So anyway, the car is actually here in the shop. It's coming back together. It's all back together. Everything's been cleaned up. All the oil leaks been solved. We cleaned up, sprayed a ton of brake cleaner just to get everything cleaned up and stuff. But anyway, it's ready to go. We're ready to go racing up at Mokan. Can't wait. We had a storm pass through up here, I don't know, about an hour or so ago. It's very wet outside, but we did get the trailer inside, so it stayed nice and clean. Truck, not so. But anyway, no biggie. Time to go get some diesel for the truck, some cash for the race. Anyway, look forward to getting to Mokan and win today's race. Guess what? Beautiful day outside, getting hot, getting ready to go up bracket race number 4 up in Mokan. Like I said, it is a nice day. I'm sitting in the truck with the AC on. I'm waiting on Pops to show up. I don't see him yet, but he'll be here shortly. We'll get this rig on down the road. Anyway, bracket race number 4, heading to Mokan, do some bracket racing. It's going to be a very, very hot day. Got to stay hydrated, and chances are we're probably running the AC on inside the trailer. Does me good, keeps me cool between rounds and stuff. Keeps Pops cool, so he doesn't overheat any of that stuff. But anyway, can't wait to get this thing going on down the road. He is finally coming. Got the food, got lots of stuff in tow. Guess what? We're not behind that one Friday. Yeah.
And he's not coming today, or he's running behind.
Or we got here earlier. Yep. Wow. Okay, going to give an update on qualifying session for Q1 and Q2. Q1, there's my time slips. Q1, we ran a 7:02. Then Q2 ran a 700. So it picked up a little bit. Kind of expected. The weather kind of cooled off just a little bit here. As you can see in the previous videos, it's been kind of rainy looking here. It's been here a little bit, but mainly cloudy and stuff. But anyway, reaction's been pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and go elimination, put a dial on this thing, and get a win light in that first elimination round. So stay tuned for some more. Elimination round 1, driver suck. There's my time slip. Had a great light. Cut a 15 light to his 37. He ran dead on with his number. I ran one off. Actually, I broke out by 0.0026. I was actually on the brakes through the mile per hour. It actually was going to pick up. It actually going to run at 698. I dialed a 700. So it's a buyback round. So we're going to go down, buy back in, try round 2. There we go. What? It is yellow crappy light. I mean, I did it to myself this time. 078. I don't know when the last time I cut that bad of a light. The other guy had a 009 on me. He ran dead on his number. I ran way off the number. He saw fire in front of me. I just dumped it, hope he would break out. He didn't, so we're going home. So we'll try again here in a couple weeks and go from there. Well, it didn't go as good as last night as we wanted. Didn't get home till last night till after 1:30. It was stormy, rainy. Had to put the trailer in the shop last night, so fairly tired this morning. But anyway, we're gonna try it a couple more weeks and see how it goes from there. But car is deadly, driver not as much. But anyway, but with that said, if you like what you see, just go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to, please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. And if you want to see anything else, just leave in the comment section. Or if you have any comments about the video, please leave that in the comment section as well. But anyway, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.